this video, I'll be taking you guys to Mushin with me, where I'll be showing the construction update about the Redline project in Mushin, Ogun State. There are 3 projects here in Mushin on the Redline project, which I'll be focusing on, and also I'll be sharing the updates in this video. The projects are the Mushin train station, the Mushin overpass, and the reconstruction of classroom blocks demolished for the project. Beside the train station is a block of 12 classrooms that was built as replacement for the former school building demolished to give way for the Mushin overpass projects. Here is the video I did when demolition was taking place in the area, showing the former building. As you guys can see, the building behind me is a public primary school in this area. The building will also be demolished, but the state government and local government has made arrangements for the relocation of this school to another location within this area. The building will give way as part of the road expansion for the construction of the overpass. The arrangements made then by the Lagos state government and the local government for the relocation of the school is now the building beside the train station. After the completion of the building, the Mushin Public Nursery and Primary School has since been handed back to the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, and the pupils are back to school. The second construction I'll be focusing on is the Mushin train station. As we can see from the video, there have been a lot of construction works done on the station compared to the last video I did here. This station and the Iju train station seems to be having similar design, and from the look of things, a lot of finishing is what is going on at the station. Another area which is part of the station where a lot of construction is taking place presently is the train platform, just like what is happening at the Iju station as well. Now let's take a look at the overpass, which is to help vehicles move across without passing through the rail tracks. From the look of the construction, a lot of works is still left. Therefore, I'm having my doubts about the completion of the overpass before the end of the year.